Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to download movie on Netflix on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, go ahead and open Netflix application on your device. Well, after that, here you can select your profile. Okay, and then to download movie in this application. First, you have to make sure which movie you will download. Well, and then here you can simply press this button. But when attention light disappear, you can press download now, then using mobile data to start download your movie. Well, that's the tutorial on how to download movie on Netflix on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.